So today we're going to do one of our local favorites. In every community, there's somebody doing some sort of sauce. You know, today we're going to do pig foot sauce. I'm going to do it how I do my pig foot sauce. So this pig foot would have been boiled soft, washed with lime juice and water, and boiled in salt, very soft, rinsed and cooled. Right, so we're going to start by adding all our seasoning ingredients and allow to marinate before we have. Right, we're going to start with adding our one whole habanero pepper cut in half. If habanero is too soft for you, you could add scorpion pepper, but for me, I like the habanero. 3 tablespoons of shadow beni. 3 tablespoons of pimento. 3 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to add some salt to taste. Remember, we boil it with salt, so just to keep that in mind when adding salt. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Cucumber, 1 cup. Red onion, 1 cup. Chive, 3 tablespoons. Two cups of water. And 6 tablespoons of lime juice. We're going to mix and cover and allow to marinate either overnight or for at least 4 hours to allow all the ingredients to, as we say locally, kusume. And then we could have